Welcome to episode 17. Make a date and cook with a friend. This is one of my favourite. And then I'll tell you a little story. First I'll read a little bit and then I'll tell you a little story. Friends are like diamonds in our lives. They light up our life. We have chosen them and they have chosen us. They are lifelines that see us through the darkest and best times as we share our life. A friend is like a garden with flowers and brings us joy. Cook together, find the pleasure of eating a simple meal and a glass of wine or two. Laughter is the best medicine. In transformation, it shakes off all negativity. So, we're in ISO at the moment. So my only friend is my husband and I am cooking, if I can show you here, polpette di maiale e vitello and silver beet. Oh, look at that, beautiful, with beans, butter beans. So my husband will come in and he is my friend for today. I've invited him. And he's going to have dinner with me. Together, the two of us, we're going to share a meal. Sharing a meal is really, really, really the best thing that you can do. Why? I remember, this is a journey, life is a journey. I remember the best times of my childhood is when the meal was shared at the table with friends and family. People just popped in and we shared. We had more than abundance. Today, we've become isolated and I know we're in ISO 2 and that's made it even worse. And what I've done is I've actually shared a meal with a girlfriend. They were having dinner at the same time and we were, and we put on Messenger, WhatsApp, FaceTime, and we shared a meal together. That was really, really good. And it's a great way of connecting with my grandchildren as well, with my children. It's really, really important that we continue the process of communication, because humans without communication, no lifelines. We need each other. It's so important. Look, sharing a meal, a glass of wine or two, just puts everything aside. And that is the key to becoming the best cook. Because it's not about cooking, it's about expanding your library and the way that you think and feel. See you on the next one.